In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Whatnot app not working. So if Whatnot application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you have to do is simply update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply type in Whatnot and search for it. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Whatnot and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if the application is still not working, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Now find the application for Whatnot and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after you clear the cache of the app, the application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with your device itself. So what you have to do is restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. Now your device will be restarted and all the temporary software glitches will be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Whatnot app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.